Hey everyone, I'm John. The MSI Prestige series keeps work more efficient, and these finely crafted machines not only show unique taste, but also are immensely powerful. Thin and light, it enhances your style and workflow wherever you go. We'll be going through the introduction of the latest Prestige series, different features of the laptop including the shape design, I/O ports, biometric settings, MSI Center Pro new AI features, and high-res and DTS audio processing. These are some topics to go through. Let's see our new Prestige laptops. The new Prestige series provides several options in color and specifications. There are two sizes of Prestige laptops. The number following the series name represents the size of the panels. The Prestige 15 comes with two colors in carbon gray and urban silver, and also provides an additional panel option which supports up to 4K UHD resolution with MSI True Pixel and Adobe 100% coverage. And the Prestige 14 comes with two colors in carbon gray and bluestone. Besides those models, Prestige 14 also has the Evo version, which was certified by the Intel Evo platform. It is powered by the latest Intel Iris Xe graphics, bringing more efficient performance, faster response, and longer battery life. Spec-wise, even for business laptops, MSI stands firm on providing excellent performance. Featuring the latest 12th gen Intel Core i7 processor with up to 14 cores, it delivers heavyweight performance yet lightweight portability with up to 2 times performance boost compared to previous generation laptops. The Prestige series was built with the discrete GPU to be the backbone that maximizes your productivity and can even cover entry-level content creation. MSI creates products to help you stay focused on what really matters to you. Since the Prestige series focuses on the most portable design, these laptops adopt high-efficient LPDDR memory on board. That means you need to choose bigger capacity memory if you usually work with multitasks or content creation. For its storage, Prestige 15 provides two M.2 SSD slots. One supports PCIe Gen 4, another supports PCIe Gen 3. The Prestige 14 provides one PCIe Gen 4 SSD slot. The all-aluminum chassis of the Prestige 15 is incredibly thin and compact for optimal portability. When you open the Prestige, the lid props up the keyboard to provide a comfortable angle for typing and better airflow for keeping the components cool. Let's check what ports it's got. Along the right, you have a pair of USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports and a micro SD card reader slot. Along the left, you have an audio combo jack which supports high-res audio, an HDMI port, and a pair of Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports. What's more, these two Type-C ports also support up to 100 watts PD charging. With the support of fast charging, you may charge your battery up to 60% in about 53 minutes with our 20-volt PD charging adapter. Or you can get 2.5 hours of extended battery life with 15 minutes of recharging. If you don't have an MSI official adapter, you could still use a third-party one or power bank which supports at least 65 watt PD for an emergency. Another reminder, not every USB Type-C cable could support PD function. You need to use the correct cable for PD charging. Although there's no LAN port on the Prestige series due to the ultra-slim chassis, the latest Wi-Fi 6E with 6 GHz band delivers stunning speed while keeping the network smooth and stable even when sharing the network with numerous users. Please do remember to plug the adapter in and charge the battery before your first time starting up the system. Make sure the system has enough power to deliver full performance and unlock the shipping mode. After you boot up your computer, we should let the Windows NVIDIA graphics driver and MSI exclusive utility software update first and configure all the basic settings. One of the best things about this series is that despite its ultra-slim size, there's still a dedicated fingerprint reader placed at the top left corner of the touchpad and an IR camera to provide biometric security. You can set your laptop with the fingerprint and facial recognition. It's a safe and convenient way to log into your Windows ecosystem or even run services such as FIDO2 web authentication. To turn on Windows Hello, go to the Start menu, Settings, Accounts, Sign In options. Set a PIN code for the essential alternative way of Windows Hello. Then you can select the Windows Hello method you want to add, which includes fingerprint and facial recognition. Click Setup to start the process. After you complete the process, you can enjoy the convenience of biometric security. The Prestige series is built with an extra-large touchpad, which supports multi-finger gestures and is responsive to the touch. Here are the useful gestures you should know. You can also customize them to the way you prefer in Windows Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Touchpad. All Prestige series laptops are protected with Tile, which uses Tile's tracking technology. You can find where your laptop is via your phone and also where your phone is via your laptop. Just switch on the Tile function in the MSI Center Pro. Go to the Tile application and activate the laptop and follow the instructions to complete the setting. Then you could use this function to protect your device. If you're curious to know more about the Tile settings, check out this episode. The MSI Prestige series comes with the exclusive MSI AI engine, which is capable of providing many intelligent features. You could easily activate them in the user scenario of the MSI Center Pro. MSI Smart Auto helps the laptop actively feel the scenarios instead of asking users to manually choose the usage modes. The intelligent system will automatically adjust the best settings in order to create a deeper connection with the scenarios. Sometimes you won't know what you really need, but our intelligent technology will always have your back and lead you on the right path. Another new feature is Ambient Silent AI, which defines what silent means in a relative way. The background noise you feel in a coffee shop or an office is different. Ambient Silent AI will actively detect the surrounding noise levels and rise the fan's speed accordingly in order to provide higher performance for your usage. Remember to update your MSI Center Pro to the latest version to get these functions. Giving a rich, immersive surround sound effect, the collaboration with DTS just provided incredibly high-quality audio experience on MSI's Prestige series laptops. It's because DTS is encoded at a higher bitrate to hear better quality audio on stereo speakers and headphones. Also, with the combination of high res, just press it on and start to hear any real sounds. However, the high res is only featured on headphones. The MSI Prestige series delivers heavyweight performance and lightweight portability, which will keep you in the flow wherever you go. Hope you enjoy the video and thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.